Hi, hello, welcome to my channel Epic Educate. It is an educational channel. Subscribe and support this channel. Today we are going to discuss about inner planets like Venus and Mars. Consider Venus. It is also called Twilight planet, goddess of beauty. The diameter of Venus is 12,102 km. Mass of the Venus is 4,870 million tons. The temperature of Venus is 457 degrees Celsius. Extremes not available. The distance from the Sun to Venus is 108 million km. Compared to Earth, length of day is equal to 243.01 Earth days. Length of year is 224.7 Earth days. And surface gravity 1 kg is equal to 0.88 kg in Venus. Okay? Venus is often considered to be the Earth's twin, but the two planets are not identical. Venus has high plateaus, folded mountain beds, numerous volcanoes, and relatively smooth volcanic plains. The surface of Venus is totally obscured by thick atmosphere composed mostly of carbon dioxide with clouds of sulfuric acid. It contains volcanic plains, mountain beds, volcanoes, and two ice continents that rise several kilometers above vast rolling lands, which shows that Venus has a surface similar in some ways to the surface of the Earth with its continents and ocean basins. Okay. Next we move to Mars. It is also called Red Planet, god of war. The diameter of Mars is 6,786 km. Mass of the Mars is 642 million ton. Temperature of Mars is minus 137 degrees Celsius to 37 degrees Celsius. Okay. The distance from the Sun to Mars is 228 million km. Compared to Earth, length of the day is equal to 24.623 hours. Length of year is 188 Earth years. The surface gravity is 1 kg is equal to 0.38 kg. Okay, Mars is smaller than Earth and Venus, but has many fascinating geological features, indicating that its surface has been dynamic. Almost every geological feature is gigantic. Three huge volcanoes, one more than 28 km high, exist at Mars. An enormous canyon extends across the entire hemisphere. The distance roughly equal to the from New York to San Francisco. It is a planet of fascinating geologic features. Almost everything is gigantic, including the landscape and eroding deep channels. There is evidence not only of stream action but of catastrophic flooding in which sheets of water, possibly 300 meters deep, surged over the landscape, eroding process on Mars. In addition, polar regions are covered with the alternating layers of ice and wind-blown sediment. Okay, this is the explanation about Venus